This is beyond any kind of description. Don't know if I'll be able to justify what I say. And I really don't know if the camera is picking this up, but this is just something else. And I live 2 blocks away from here. Ain't I lucky? Okay. Sadly, I don't have the time to stop and enjoy the scene. A bunch of motorcyclists on their bikes. And cyclists too. Storks, cranes, pelicans, all of them having a nice gala time. Okay, we need to get somewhere. So that's Rajat from 1 to 5 kph on his modified Expulse 212. And we have a bunch of Himalayans and a Java. Really don't know how the day is going to be. We'll have to try it out and see. Oops. Yep. This is not a joke, fellas. Rajat and his gang has been doing this for quite some time now, so they find it pretty easy, but definitely not a joke.